The body is electric, and when we nourish it with the right natural foods, it heals itself. The colon must stay clean for the body to stay alive and strong. God placed powerful medicines in the smallest seeds. Use nature's gift wisely, and toxins will leave your body overnight. Let me show you how.
Have you ever felt heavy, bloated, or backed up for days, even after eating healthy? In the United States, over 20 million people suffer from constipation, and doctors say a dirty colon is linked to fatigue, weight gain, gas, brain fog, and even serious disease. But what if a simple miracle seed could clean your entire colon overnight, flushing out toxic waste that's been stuck inside your body for years? A seed that Dr. Sebi called a powerful alkaline detox tool. Yet most people never use it the right way. Today, you'll discover how this forgotten natural remedy can clear digestion, reduce belly bloating, and give you a fresh bathroom routine by tomorrow morning. Stay with me, because in just a moment, I'll reveal exactly how this seed transforms your gut like magic, and one big mistake to avoid at all costs. So what is this miracle seed that can clean your colon overnight and help restore healthy digestion? These are chia seeds. Tiny, but extremely powerful. Dr. Sebi often talked about natural alkaline foods that support the body's self-cleansing ability, and chia seeds fit perfectly into that lifestyle. When you soak chia seeds in water, each seed absorbs 10 to 12 times its weight in liquid and forms a soft gel. This gel travels through your stomach and intestines like a gentle broom, grabbing toxins, old waste, and harmful substances stuck along the colon walls. And the best part? It does this without any harsh chemicals, pain, or rushing to the bathroom. It supports your body naturally. Many people don't realize that what they think is belly fat is often undigested waste stored inside the intestines. A backed up colon can make you feel tired, heavy, and older than you really are. But chia seeds can help change that, starting from the very first night you try them. Along with powerful cleansing fiber, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, calcium, magnesium, and plant-based protein. They don't just clean the colon, they feed the good bacteria in your gut and reduce inflammation. A flatter stomach, easier bowel movements, and more energy when you wake up. And here's where chia seeds are different from other fibers. Instead of irritating your intestines to force stool out, chia forms a silky protective layer around waste, making it soft so it passes comfortably. Seniors especially love chia because it relieves constipation gently without cramps. But let me tell you something shocking. Some people take chia seeds the wrong way, and that can actually make constipation worse. If you swallow chia seeds dry, they start absorbing water inside your throat or stomach and can become thick, sticky, and hard to move down. That's why hydration is the real secret behind chia's overnight magic. Just imagine millions of tiny seeds expanding into a smooth jelly that pulls out toxic buildup that has been sitting inside you for weeks, months, or even years. Reduce bad cholesterol, balance blood sugar, and improve heart health. When digestion improves, everything improves: your skin, mood, immunity, energy, and weight. Many viewers ask, why is my stomach always bloated? The truth is 70 to 80% of your immune system is in your gut, and when toxins pile up there, your whole body suffers. Chia seeds help flush out that toxic burden so your gut relaxes and your stomach settles. Even your sleep can get better because your body isn't busy fighting waste. All right, now let's get into the exciting part. How to take chia seeds the right way for a clean colon by tomorrow morning. The most simple and effective method is chia gel detox water. Take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and soak them in a glass of water for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. You'll see the seeds turn into a jelly-like drink. Drink this before bed, and by morning you will feel a noticeable difference in your bathroom routine. If you want even stronger cleansing, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. The vitamin C boosts digestion and gives your liver a little push. But remember, chia must absorb enough water. Never rush it. Another amazing recipe is chia with aloe vera. Aloe cools and heals the intestines, while chia pulls out the waste. Combine 1 tablespoon of soaked chia with half a cup of fresh aloe juice and drink at night. You'll feel light and refreshed the next day. If you want better blood sugar control, mix chia gel with apple cider vinegar before dinner. This helps stop sugar spikes and melts stubborn fat. People who try chia often report that they lose weight without changing their diet too much because their digestion speeds up and swelling goes down. But let me share something even more powerful. Chia doesn't only clean the colon, it feeds your gut microbiome. These are the friendly bacteria that protect you from sickness. When your gut becomes clean and happy, your whole body becomes clean and happy. Think of it as giving your digestive system a fresh start. And if you're someone who feels tired in the morning, or your breath smells bad even after brushing, or you struggle with embarrassing gas, chia can help fix those signs of internal imbalance. Bloating, tiredness, and tummy discomfort are often your colon asking for help. And now you know the solution. But before you run to the kitchen, you must know something very important. Who should avoid chia seeds and the one mistake that can be harmful? If you have severe swallowing problems, extremely low blood pressure, or allergies to seeds, always speak to your doctor first. And if you take diabetes medication or blood thinners, start with a very small amount and monitor how your body reacts. Chia seeds naturally improve your blood sugar, so you don't want your levels falling too much. Also, if you do not drink enough water with chia, it can swell inside your body and make you more constipated. So water is not optional. It is part of the detox. Now think for a moment. How long has your digestion been slow? How long have you ignored your body's warning signs? You deserve a healthy gut and freedom in the bathroom. You deserve to wake up light, clean, and energized. And chia seeds can help deliver that change faster than anything you've tried. But we're only halfway there. Because right after this, I will show you the exact overnight colon cleanse routine that gives the strongest results, including a 7-day detox plan that restores gut balance step by step. And if you struggle with belly fat, I'll tell you how Chia Detox can help shrink your waist, not by starving. You'll eat real food while your gut heals. Plus, one more secret ingredient that makes chia 2 times more powerful for colon cleansing. Don't miss this. Your gut will thank you. Now, let's get into exactly how to do this chia detox correctly so you get the best overnight colon cleansing results. First, you need to prepare chia overnight detox gel. Take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and soak them in 1 full glass of water. Let them sit for at least 1 hour, but overnight is even better. You will see a jelly-like coat around every seed. This is soluble fiber. the special part responsible for sweeping out old, stuck waste from your intestines. Drink this chia gel 30 to 60 minutes before sleeping and allow your body to rest and do its job. While you sleep, the gel travels through your digestive tract, absorbing toxins, chemicals, gas, and heavy waste that have been trapped inside the colon for a long time. When you wake up, drink one more full glass of water immediately, and then be ready. Because your bathroom experience will feel easier, smoother, and more complete than usual. You'll feel like a huge burden has been removed from inside your belly. Many people say the first morning after Chia Detox feels like their stomach deflated, their jeans fit better, and they feel lighter as if internal pressure has gone away. This is the first sign that your colon is finally clearing itself. But if you want even faster and deeper cleansing, try Chia plus Lemon Overnight Detox. Simply add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into your chia gel before bed. Lemon boosts digestion, improves hydration, and helps your liver push toxins out more efficiently. If you have gas and acidity problems often, you can try Chia plus Aloe Vera Detox. Mix 1 tablespoon soaked chia with half a cup of aloe vera juice and drink it at night. Aloe cools the stomach, reduces inflammation, and supports smooth movement of stools. For people who want to burn belly fat while detoxing, chia plus apple cider vinegar is the best choice. 1 tablespoon of soaked chia mixed with a tablespoon of ACV helps lower insulin spikes, improves metabolism, and removes waste faster. But remember, whichever recipe you choose, chia must be fully soaked. That is the golden rule. Now, let me share a 7-day chia detox plan that can transform your gut completely. Day 1 and 2. Start with basic chia gel before sleeping. Focus on hydration and observe your bathroom changes. Day 3 and 4. Add lemon juice for stronger cleansing. You may notice less bloating and a lighter stomach. Day 5. Switch to aloe vera if you struggle with gas or painful constipation. Day 6. Try the chia plus ACV method for reducing belly swelling. Day 7. Choose the one you liked most and repeat. Through these 7 days, eat simple foods. Fresh fruits, leafy vegetables, light soups, and avoid junk food, fried food, spicy irritants, and heavy late-night meals. When your colon is being cleaned, give your body clean fuel. You may wonder, what will come out of my colon? The truth is, toxic waste can hide in your gut for months. You may see thicker stool, darker waste, more gas release, and sometimes mucus. These are signs that your intestines are flushing out what doesn't belong inside you. You may feel more energy instead of sluggishness because your body is finally absorbing nutrients better. And something else amazing happens. Your skin can start to glow because the gut and skin are connected. When the colon is clean, your face also looks fresher and younger. But I must warn you about 3 common mistakes. First, never eat chia dry. It can swell inside your throat or intestines and cause choking or blockage. Second, do not take too much too fast. Start with 1 tablespoon only. Third, always drink plenty of water every day, at least 6 to 8 glasses. Otherwise, the fiber may slow digestion instead of helping it. Now let's talk about who should avoid chia or use very little. If you are allergic to seeds, have difficulty swallowing, or suffer from very low blood pressure, talk to your doctor before using chia regularly. If you take diabetes or blood-thinning medicines, take chia in smaller amounts first because it naturally helps lower blood sugar and improves circulation. Your health should always be safe. But for most people, chia seeds are completely natural and safe, and the results are often life-changing. If you have been living with constipation, bloating, gas, bad breath, or a heavy stomach for a long time, this simple seed can give you a fresh start. Think about how good you will feel waking up tomorrow morning with a clean, light gut and a flatter belly, without any uncomfortable laxatives or strong medicines. This is your chance to help your body detox the way nature designed it to. And remember, Dr. Sebi always said that the body heals itself when we give it the right natural tools. Chia seeds are one of those tools. This miracle seed has been ignored by many, but not by you, because you are now taking a step toward better health. You are giving your digestive system freedom. You are giving your colon the care it has been asking for. So try this tonight and witness the difference tomorrow. Your colon is the center of your wellness. And when it works smoothly, life feels easier, brighter, and more enjoyable. If you want more powerful natural detox tips, gut healing foods, and secret alkaline remedies, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who needs help too. Your one small click can help someone improve their health and feel relief, maybe for the very first time. Now go prepare your Chia Detox Gel and get ready to feel the overnight magic inside your body. Your healthy transformation begins now.